Unless you're really blind, I don't think you need 2 signs per elevator. These are the elevators at JCPenney. Oh, it has a lantern in the back. These are the elevators at JCPenney. Lehigh Valley Mall in Whitehall. I don't think an elevator can get more JCPenney than this. And yeah, believe it or not, these were Haughton. This is like the most prototypical JCPenney elevator ever. Let's turn this on. So you can get a silent listen to the motor. All right, let's listen quietly. So I'm still here. Yeah, a minute left. All right, whatever. We'll send you down. Get the other one. Extra button. It's weird. There's the offices. This doesn't even work. That is very over level. Oh my god. A lot of people believe these are Dover, but these are Haughton. I like these, I don't know what the heck that is. Oh, it's cool. It's interesting. Let's watch it. That's so weird. Why put it in the back of the cab? Oh.